As an analyst, researcher, or product manager, staying on top of industry trends and developments is crucial. But with the constant flood of information, it can be overwhelming to keep up. That's where BuildShip's topic tracker comes in. Our automated workflow makes it easy to stay informed on any topic you choose. Here's how it works in just 3 simple steps. First, authenticate with the Google Sheets node and make a copy of the sheet included with the template. Then, list out the areas of interest you want to keep updated on. This could be anything from emerging technologies and market trends to competitor activities or events. Next, give BuildShip access to this Google Sheet and set how often you'd like to have it updated, daily, weekly, or on your preferred schedule. Finally, add in your API key for Perplexity, a powerful search API that scans the web for the most relevant and up-to-date information. Your BuildShip workflow then continuously analyzes these sources, extracting the most impactful insights. Your Google Sheet gets updated, summarizing key developments, eliminating the need to sift through endless articles or worry about missing crucial developments. You can easily extend this workflow. Leverage our nodes powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT, Anthropic's Claude, or even your own custom AI model to analyze the data and generate actionable insights. Easily turn these insights into automated emails sent via MailChimp, Resend, or SendGrid, or share them on Discord or Slack. You can even collaborate with team members by sharing this workflow through our built-in collaboration features. Stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions with BuildShip's topic tracker. Try it today and discover how BuildShip is empowering professionals with actionable intelligence. Let's BuildShip.